Hello students, here in this video we will study the economic importance of the sponges. See, these sponges, they are useful as well as harmful to the human being. Now first we study the useful sponges, or how the sponges they are useful to us. So uses of the sponges, which includes see, majority of the sponges which are beneficial to the human being and the animal. And since from the ancient times we just study the So in the ancient time, the human being, they used these sponges for various purposes. So these sponges, they are used for the barter among the seashore inland tribes. Then the ancient Greeks, they also used the dried fibrous skeleton of the sponges for washing and bathing, as well as for scrubbing their floor, furnitures, and for padding their shields as well as the armor. The sponges were also used to absorb the fluid as the drinking cups. Then they used for washing the shoe polish and face creams. In glass industry also we are use them for whipping as well as for cleaning the hot glasses. Some sponges, for example the Venus, which is known as the Venus flower basket, they are just used as an ornamental article as they are very beautiful. Then the sponges are used for washing car floors, walls, ceiling, furniture, etc. The sponges are also eaten as a food by some fishes. Means the human beings, they use the sponges, as well as the remaining other animals, they also use the sponges. Means the sponges, they are useful for the animals also. Fishes feed on them. Means for the fishes, the sponges, they are act as a food material. Some crustacean animals are there which are also act as a parasites on the sponges, and they feed on their tissues. And some of the mollusca, they are regularly feed on the sponges. So for the fishes, some of the crustaceans, and some of the mollusca, it is act as a food material. So the sponges, they provide shelter to number of the animals which are found to live together along with the sponges as a commensals. So many sessile animals, they grow on the surface of the sponges. Many animals, they just pass their entire life in the body of the sponges. Okay, so these are the different uses of the sponges to human being as well as to the animals. Now there are some harmful sponges are also there. Okay, so if we study the harmful sponges, the sponges which are rarely harmful actually, and they kill the other sessile animals. Now how they are harmful, or how they are able to kill? As the sponges, they grow over the other animal, and they just cutting off their food and the oxygen supply, and since they are responsible for killing them. For example, they are able to kill the bivalves, ज्याला आपण शिंपला म्हणतो, bivalves, oysters, clams. So these are the different types of the bivalvic structure. And these sponges, they are able to bore themselves into the body of the bivalves and oysters, and some species, they produces the poisonous secretions also. Now the natural sponges, they have the extensive market for the sponge fishing industry and the sport, and a million of the sponges, they are sold every year. So the sponge which are having the economically, they are important in the fishing industry also. Okay, and thousands of the tons of the sponges, they are collected every year, and they are collected by the drag hooks or by the travelers and the divers. And these collected sponges, they are dried in the sun, then they are bleached, graded, sorted, and then they are sold in the market. So along Means these natural sponges, they have the high market value. So this is the third use. Okay, so uh, as the sponges they are useful, the sponges are harmful also. Now these sponges, they shows the great power of regeneration, and that's why they are helpful to replace the lost part. Okay, and therefore the sponges cultivation that is carried out in the areas where the sponge fishing is very common. And so these sponge fishing which provide the economic support to the peoples who lived in that particular area. Okay, so all this is about the economic importance of sponges. Thank you.